Hey divas and dons, welcome back to another video. Hey divas and dons, welcome back to another quick video, guys. Your girl spend money again. So I'm done now, guys. I'm gonna just be doing some vlogs of my garden, everything what is free and don't cost me money. I spend too much, but I had to get these trainers, guys. They're so nice. I love them. Had to get these trainers, so I wanted to show you them. They took a while to come. Don't know why. Like a good week and a half. So they came in the post today. So let's unbox them. I'm excited. The box feel a little light. I don't know. Maybe they're nice and comfy and flowy like pillows on your feet. Yes, guys. So let's unbox these trainers. I'm excited, guys. Oh my God, I bought a nice dress to go with these as well. Oh my God, something is wrong here. Oh my God. Oh my God, I can't put out this video. Can you see what's wrong, guys? I don't know if I'm going to put out this video, guys. Don't know if I'm going to put out this video. Can you see what's wrong? You might not can tell on camera the size of the box, guys. Oh my days. It's not even funny, I'm vexed. I've ordered kids' shoes. Can you believe that I've done that? I can't post this video, man. This is embarrassing. Kids' shoes. They're really nice. I wanted them for myself. Oh my God. And me buy a dress, me buy a hat to match this army green. Kid shoes. £40 worth of kids shoes, guys. I'm not having a picnic. I'm upset. I don't know why I'm still talking because I don't think I'm putting out this video. This is too embarrassing. I take a size 8, but I always order a size up in trainers because sometimes I feel like they come narrow and stuff. So I ordered a UK 9, if you can see. But it's pitney shoes. UK 9 in pitney shoes. It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank. I'm pranking you, my subscribers. Oh my God, but to be honest, guys, the real joke of this is I did order kids' shoes by accident. I went into in my emails to see when the delivery was coming and noticed it said kids' shoe. And I was like, what? but it was coming the next day, something like that. And it even came late in the end. It came like 3 days later. But they told me it was too late to cancel the order. So they still came, and something thought, I've never done a prank before. Let me prank my subscribers. But they're very, very nice. Army green. Yeah. And I know who I'm going to give them to, my little grandbaby, but they're not going to fit him yet. No way. But they'll fit him very soon. So he can get these. They're really nice, you know. And for real, I did, let me show you. I did, guys, buy a, oh shit. I did, guys, buy a army green maxi dress, yeah, long, with a split. I got this from Temu. I can leave it in the description below. I didn't plan to do that, but I can if you like this. So they would have gone, can you get the look? Can you get the look? They would have gone really nice with that. Can you get the look? They would have gone really nice. And my combat hat. You understand? I was going to pop a style. I was going to pop style. I was going to pop style. Anyway, I'm pranking you, but that is the story. I ordered kids' shoes, and they do not do this in adults. You know, I purposely thought, yeah, didn't mind not having the laces and everything. I really did like them. I thought they were smart. Well, they are smart, but they only got them for kiddies. I'm a buy outfit. Yes. Imagine that. So anyway, guys, that was just a prank. Hope you enjoyed the video. So comment below, do you like these though? They're nice, isn't it? Comment below, guys. And comment below, do you like my wig, guys? If you want to see the install of this Temu wig, go back a video or so and you will see the install and the description where I got this wig. It's a Temu wig, guys, and it don't cost a bomb. Yeah, nice, isn't it? And I put some little silver bang 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 bangs in there. Yeah, yeah. All right, guys, I'm going. Just a quick little video. Like, share, subscribe to the channel, guys. If you haven't already, please like up the video, guys. Up, like up the video. Like. It doesn't cost nothing to just press that. I think it's less than a second. Yeah. All right, guys. Until next time, stay safe, stay sweet. The Diva is out, guys. The Diva is out.